What's up everyone? Today we are going to be installing some new side markers on the FRS. So I currently have the stock orange ones on there and I don't like the way they look. I think they look tacky. So today we're going to install the smoked Helix ones. They're like kind of a clear color but a slight like smoke look. Nothing too dark though. I got them from FT86 Speed Factory for about $60 with a discount. So today we're just going to take off the old ones, put on the new ones, and I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So for this install you will need two things, very simple, a flathead and a Phillips head screwdriver. The flathead will basically just pry out the old side marker, and then the Phillips head is going to take the screw out that you need to, I guess, basically pull out the whole side marker. So I guess first what I'm going to do is just try to pry this out. That was pretty easy. Mine was already a little bit loose, so I wouldn't expect yours to be that easy. So let's see, this just kind of wiggles out. Oh, this is crusty. Okay, I hear that you turn clockwise. Yep, so you just turn, boom, it comes out. I didn't even need a screwdriver. Okay, so I guess we're just gonna put on the old one, or the new one. This is the old side marker, very crusty on the inside. And then we're just gonna put the new one. I don't even know if this is the right way. I guess so. Maybe this is the other side. Yeah, this is for the other side of the car. Yep, looks like that's the right side. Yeah. You just put it in and turn it whichever way, I don't know. Turn it clockwise to install it. To take out the old one, you turn it counterclockwise. I had to think that for a second. And then this just kind of pushes in there some. There we go. And I guess it just pops on there. Woo! Fits nice and snug. The left side is done. We're gonna go ahead and do the, actually no, I don't know which side. This is the right side. The right side of the car is done. We're gonna go ahead and do the left side. Alright, now we're gonna go ahead. I'm gonna give you guys a different angle. We're gonna do the same thing on this side just so y'all can see. Yeah, so mine is pretty loose already. I don't know why. I think this bumper was taken off before. Just kind of snaps out. And it pulls out. Alright. So, you twist counterclockwise. And if you do want to change the bulb, this is the bulb here. So I guess, I don't know how you change it, but I'm assuming you twist it out or something. To replace it to LED or whichever bulbs you would like. Let's see if we can get this thing to turn. How does this even go? Oh, the Shelby. Okay, so to turn it, you gotta kind of force it some. There it goes. Okay. Doesn't want to turn too easily. Then you just tuck these wires back there. Tuck this little arm thing back there. And then you can kind of see on the other side where it's supposed to snap in. Just gotta put it in there. Yeah, it's supposed to go right there. Come on. Hopefully I didn't break it. I think I chipped it a little bit, but it's okay. Alright, so that is how you install some new side markers on your FRS. I think it really changes the overall look, and I think it's a mod that should be on everybody's list. It really makes the car look clean, especially black cars. So thank you guys for watching. I'm going to go ahead and insert some clips of what the new side markers look like, and I will see you guys in the next video.